Hey guys, Noah here, again you're with us in the traders. Today I want to talk with you about free commission brokers, right? Why I want to talk with you about them? Because a lot of you think that if they'll go to a broker that don't take any commission, they'll save money. Well, it's not the case. So stay with me and understand why. Hey guys, Noah from the traders here. Nice to see you and nice to talk with you again. As I said in the promo, today I want to talk with you about free commission brokers. Why I want to talk with you about them? Because lots of you are new traders. Those who watch my videos, those who work with us and ask us, the traders, they come to us and ask us so many questions, and they are new traders. They don't really know a lot about the market. We start with most of them from zero, and they don't really know what they see, and they start clueless, right? They come to a new world, the trading world, the investing world, the financial world, and they don't really understand what they see. They see a promotion of a broker company like Robinhood, like Webull and others, and they told them, yeah, come and trade with us and it won't cost you anything. Yeah, we are working for free. Yeah, we are a philanthropy company. Well, it's not the case, right? No one works for free and no one works without getting paid. And if they say they are working without any commission, you need to understand how they get their money, right? You need to check with them how they make money, what is their business model, right? So I'm not here to talk about any of brokerage company, because I don't want to be the guy that say bad things about others. But I will say good things about one company that I work with, and I believe it's the best. Well, everyone knows it's the best in the world, and you pay commission, but they give you the full package, and they're great, and the service is great, but we'll get this later. Now let's talk about what's happening when you start to trade, right? If you are new to trading or to investing, first you can follow us, subscribe to our channel. Great. Even if you're not, if you have more experience, I have 10 years of experience in the capital market, or have also 10 years of experience mostly in the US market. I have in the US and in the Israeli market. So together we have 20 years of experience. So it's really smart to understand and hear what we say. So now after I present you the knowledge we have, now let me explain about the case we are looking at. We have Robinhood, we have Webull, as I said, and we have others. Well, I don't know what is the business model of each one of them, but I know that no one is working for free. So, how most of these free commission brokers make their money, right? That's the case. This is what we want to know. We want to understand how they make money. Most of them will make money by taking the margin between the rate in the market to the rate they show you in the app. What it means? It means that if you see that now Facebook is in a rate of 188 and you want to buy the stock and you say, well, it's cheap, it's 188. Well, this is not what the price in the market actually. The price will be 187.5, right? But you will see it as 188 because this is what the software show you, right? The platform show you. So you'll buy in this price, and they will take the margin, right? This $0.50 multiple the number of stocks you buy, of shares you buy. This is their share, this is their profit, this is what they are taking, right? So this is what most of them do. Some of them are also have some ads, all right, or promotions in their apps. Well, this is most of the time, this is just add-on. This is not their real way to make money. Just some sort of small things, but the actual way they are making their money is by taking the margin. All right, it's very important to understand it, because taking the margin, it can be a big change for you, right? Think about if you buy 30 shares of Facebook and the commission is $0.50, it can be $15, right, for you just to make a buy or sell. Right, so you need to consider it. All right, the company, the platform that I'm actually working with them by myself, and I'm also a big fan of them. From my experience, use them. It's Interactive Broker. All right, I don't do any affiliation. I'm not making money by working with them. If you'll see in the description, I'm not promoting them. You don't have a link to open an account with them. From my experience, from what I know, they're the best. They're taking about $2.5 per buy or sell most of the time, and they have a great platform. You can take it with delay, you can take it with real time. I don't believe by working with delay because the numbers can be huge difference. But if you want to be to just start and want to buy one stock and wait with it for a year, you can do that. But if you want to do some swing trade and buy and sell once in 2 weeks and be more connect to the market and more to feel the market, you have to see real time. And by watching real time, you have to pay a few dollars just to watch the market in real time. They also have analysis. They also have some recommendations, and their support is great if you want to ask, if you want to do the best I know. So this is why I don't like to work with free commission platforms, and this is why I like to work with Interactive Broker, the biggest brokerage in the world. So I hope you like this video. I'm Noah Mother. Please subscribe to the channel, The Traders, and give me a like if you like this video. Bye bye.